There's nothing more important than our physical health, or more frightening than when something happens to it. Holds our bodies back, puts life on pause, pulls us away from what we love, and brings our minds down with it. And at some point, it will happen to all of us. We can't stop it, but we can stand up to it. Stand tall against the fear. Stand together for something bigger. So at Smith+Nephew, we have a promise. 2 words that inspire all we do. Life unlimited. It's our commitment to design and make technology that takes the limits off living, whether that's in wounds, sports medicine, or orthopedics. It's our belief that with it, nothing should stand in the way of who we can be or what we can do. And it's our pledge to open it up to whoever we can and help other medical professionals do the same. Because when we bring a farm worker back to her livelihood, that's life unlimited. When we get an athlete back to peak condition, that's life unlimited. When we get a granddad back to playing with his grandkids, that's life unlimited. And when we restore a body, we restore the whole person. We remind them that anything is possible, that their life is unlimited too.